Hashtag Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim dance hall jams. Live on all social media platforms.
If you don't learn, so listen to reason. Put everything in season. Listen to reason. Put everything in season. Even the wise man got to listen to the fool sometime, just to know what's going on. In the fields, yes, they know when to sow. When time comes to reap, yes, they know how it goes. So listen to reason. Put everything in season. Listen to reason. Put everything in season. Gonna get burned if you don't learn. You're gonna get burned if you don't learn. Yeah, now. Nah, yes. Together
Yes, massive greetings and welcome. The Big Bad and Bow Zim Dancehall FM. I'm your host, Daddy Slaggy, and this is the hashtag Throwback Thursdays.
Now the time has come for I and I to come together now as one in just sight. Just work hard together, build one economy, a little tolerance, and you build the unity. So listen to reason. Put everything in season. Listen to reason. Put everything in season. Gonna get burned.
Yeah, kicking off this show today is none other than the original, the elder himself, aka Ras Jabalani, aka Trevor Hall. And that's taken from the We Have Traveled Crucial Mix CD. Yeah, I remember when this was recorded. We had two American guys. We came in as well who were playing. One was playing the keyboards and one was playing the trumpets, I think. Or was it one was playing the guitar or the trumpet, something like that.
If they don't learn, gonna get burned.
You are listening to the Big, Bad, and Bold Zim Dance Hall FM, live on all social media platforms.
Yes, massive. Since today is a Throwback Thursdays, right? So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to actually play this show. Is actually pre-recorded, because by the time it shows I won't be around, because I'm just going for a wee trip around town, so which means I had to just do it as pre-recorded. But today we're going to play like some good old tunes, some tunes which actually paved the way for Zim Dancehall as it is right about now, because some of you guys might know the tunes and some might not know them, but like I'm just trying to bring back those memories, maybe you were young or whatever, but it's all about the hashtag throwback, with Daddy Slaggy, Panda Control. Tell your friends, spread the word, share the link. You don't know. It's all about the good vibrations, you sing. Right about now, we move inside something which can make you move. Yes, massive. Do remember the full session is coming soon. As for now, we just warming up the place, making sure things are get nice and lively, So if you're into Zim dance and you love the vibes, which one, you just give us a shout. If you like to do some freestyles, we've got currently some freestyles going on around about now, recording in progress. So if you feel like you're an artist, a budding artist, or you're just like an upcoming artist who needs the exposure, just give us a wee shout,
Social media platform.
And my dad is in the ghetto. My heart is in the ghetto. You can call me the ghetto boy. I was born in the ghetto. My mom is in the ghetto. My heart is in the ghetto. You can call me the ghetto boy. You can take me out of the ghetto and then never take me back again. But you will never take the ghetto out of me. I was born in the ghetto. My mom is in the ghetto. My heart is in the ghetto. You can call me the ghetto boy. You can take me out of the ghetto and can never take me back again. But you will never take the ghetto out of me. I was born in the ghetto. My dad is in
Yes, Massive, when we tell you that nearly every big artist
the ghetto boy.
once a day reggae hits, that's the late great Oliver Mtukudzi. Thank God, Ghetto Boy. And that time, reggae was just something brand new, just after the independence. And nearly every artist was jumping on the reggae bandwagon. He actually had a big album called The Reggae Hits, John Chubadura Reggae Hits. Yeah, he mashed up the place, Remember, I told you I'm going to bring you back. Way back into time.
Ndakamuza kuti ndine vana
Massive, taking you way back in time. That's a late great John Chubadura and the Mudiwa Geneti. That's another killer. A wicked track that. Late great Andy Brown. Think God Daisy and Zuri Gopi. Are you feeling alright? That's how we do it on the Big Bad Zim Dancehall FM. It's all about igniting those memories, you know what I mean? Yes, I told you today it's all about bringing back those memories. Where next should we go? Kadoma. Kambo kataimba tiri vapwere pandakakurira ini kune gomo rinonzi Ramasare. Mugomo munowanikwa mhuka nemichero yakasiyana siyana, ningeni, matamba, chechete, mado nechiruchoto. Toendewo kumhuka kune mbira, tsokoma, kudo nengururu. Saka tiri vapwere taifarira kupfudzira mombe mugomo Ramasare, asi katati nekambo kataizoimba kudaro tichipfudzira mombe mugomo mwere. Muchero wataifarira zvikuru dzaiva tsoto. Chikonzero chinoti unotapira
ukangoti boy mweshe tomukanwa waizo.
Yes, massive, that's a Zigzag band.
Taifanira kufuzira mombe mugomo ramasare. Asi kakambo kedu tatisingarege kuimba.
Gomo Ramasare.
Zvaidotinakidza chaizvo.
This is a classic from way back when, you know.
Wana mama wana mama wana mama vakomana wana mama Gomo Ramasare. Wana chori choto Gomo Ramasare. Wana matamba iwe Gomo Ramasare. Kana nengeni Gomo Ramasare. Wana chori choto Gomo Ramasare. Wana tsovoitsi Gomo Ramasare. Kana tumbira Gomo Ramasare. Wana magudo Gomo Ramasare. Wana magudo Gomo Ramasare.
Zim Dance Hall FM. Hashtag Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim Dance Hall jams.
Yes, massive. Remember I told you today it's all about the throwbacks, and I'm just going to ignite those memories. Now taking you back inside Jazz Solo. That's how we do it.
Last night I tried to dial your number, but all in vain. Here I had to wait in vain, baby. Here I had to wait in vain, and I had to wait in vain, baby. Last night I tried to dial your number, but all in vain.
Your number one online station.
There are miles every night. You don't love me anymore. Yeah, you don't love me anymore. There is no need to say that, to say you are sorry. Yeah, yeah. And there is no need to feel you are ashamed. If I'm not the one you love, so don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you're to blame. And I know you are doing all these things just to make me cry, Susan. Just to make me cry, baby. Yeah, to make me cry.
Don't cry, my baby.
Just to make me cry.
Please don't cry, my darling.
You're doing all these things.
Please don't
just
cry, my baby. Please don't cry, my darling.
But why
Zim
can't we
Dance Hall FM, your number one online station.
like what we used to do? Yeah, just like what we used to do, Susie. Hey. There is no need to say, there is no need to say you are sorry. If I'm not the one you love, you don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you are to blame. Don't feel you are to blame.
Hashtag Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim Dance Hall jams.
Yes, massive, that's how we do it. Remember I told you we're going to be nicing up the place.
Tell your father to let you go. Tell your father to set you free. Tell your father to let you go. Tell your father to set you free. I have no money to pay Lobola. I have no money for this and that. I have no money for sorrow and song. Oh yeah. Follow me if you love me. If you love me, mama, you follow me. Follow me if you love me. Oh no, no. Mama, you lean on me. Follow me wherever I go. Love me for whatever I am. You will eat what I eat. You will drink what I drink. You will eat what I eat. Sharing and caring together. Mama, you lean on me. I have no money but follow me. Mama, you lean on me.
Zim Dance Hall FM, your #1 online station. #Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim Dance Hall jams.
Yes. Yes, massive. That's Mamoyo. Are we move inside in D-Way? It's a Black Rose crew. Go and big up Sancho there about in Fio. Wow, no yeah.
Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu iwewe. Wandinoda kuzo karana yeho. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe.
Zim Dance Hall FM, your #1 online.
Wandinoda kuzo chata na yeho. Usandi siyandi chichema. Usandi siyanda kasuwewe. Ndiwewe kawandinoda.
Light station.
Inoda kufara newewe. Ndiwewe kawe pamoyo. Ndiwe wandino chaka. Ndiwe wandino shayewe. Usiku wanasi mangana mangana no. Ndiwe wandino da. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe. Mudiwa wangu usandisi no.
Looking for the best cinematic stuff.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. 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 Oh, 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 yeah. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu iwewe. Wandinoda kuzokana nayo. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu iwe. Wandinoda kuzochata nayo. Usandisi yandichichema. Usandisi yandakasuwewe. Iwewe kawandinoda. Inoda kutaura newe. Inoda kufara newewe. Iwewe kawandinoda. Iwe wandinotsvaga. Iwe wandinoshayewe. Usiku wanasi mangana mangana niwo. Ndiwe wandinoda. Ndiwe mudiwa wangu ndiwe. Mudiwa wangu kusandisia. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. Oh,
Zim Dance Hall FM, your #1 online station.
My boy, kaskambura chikapumo. Ndaziri kuno zivitiwe inidara yandisungaura. My boy, kaskambura chikapumo. Ndaziri kuno zivitiwe inidara yanditsakadza. my boy gazigai, my boy oh, my boy gazigai, my boy oh, baba mwana wewe no ya, baba mwana wewe no ya, baba mwana wewe no ya, baba mwana wewe no ya. Kanyamakaripi kamu wadatsima, kanyamakaripi kamu wadatsima. Ndanyatsotiza mashamwarangose utize doro nyamba ndaitengerwa ndouya panopamba undibatiza pasi. Kangani panochita zvisina shwiro, kangani panochita mburi wenyoka, kangani panochita zvisina shwiro. Antulele, antulele, kuzira kwemshonga, mwana ane chikora, namugira bandi handina, namugira budzu handina.
Yes, massive. You can tell Zim Dancer came a long way, you know. Yeah, those are the roots. Tracing back the roots of Zim Dancer, you know. Today on this Throwback Thursdays, right here on the Big Bad Bold Zim Dancer FM. My name is Daddy Slaggy. I'm here on the controls, letting the good vibe flow. And if you look at it, we are like artists from Bulawayo. Like we had Solomon Skuza representing blues, we had Kadoma, we had Zigzag Band, then we have these guys, Asegai Crew. They were from the Eastern Highlands, they were Mutare, you know. Then we had people from in or around Harare, Mashonaland, you know. So we got like, this whole thing was like sort of a nationwide thing. So that's why I say like the music was powerful. I don't know how we missed that opportunity. Now we move inside the Great Transit Crew. This is actually a remake of the original song, which was done by Transit Crew again. Emmanuel Frank sang this. Now hear this.
I have traveled all over the world. And I have made friends with many, many girls. Above all the girls that I've ever met, yes, you are the one girl I can't forget.
Zim Dance Hall FM.
You're mine all the time. You are my Zimbabwe girl. You look so fine every time. When I go through Fair Street, I check out the scene. There's so many beautiful girls, it seems just like a dream. They are looking beautiful and fine, modern or cultured. These girls, they shine. They are my Zimbabwean girls. They're mine all the time. They are my Zimbabwean girls. They look so fine.
Your number one online station.
Look so fine, I said them look so fine. Zimbabwean girls look pretty all the time. Look so fine, I said them look so fine. Zimbabwean girls look pretty all the time. Them shining, them blooming like pretty little lilies in the morning. Shining, them blooming like pretty little lilies in the morning.
Hashtag Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim dance hall jams.
Yes, massive outside. Transit Crew. We move inside one of the founding members of Transit Crew. My artist, late great Tendai Gamure, aka Culture T.
Hashtag Throwback Thursdays with Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim dance hall jams.
Tendai nguva dzose farai pamwechete tonderai kwatiri kubva tarisai kwatiri kuyenda sakadati tendai nguva dzose farai pamwechete tonderai kwatiri kubva tarisai kwatiri kuyenda Simba iri simbare mawe imbaye matombo imba iyi imbaye mawe imbaya kanaka Simba iri simbare mawe imbaye matombo imba iyi imbaye mawe imbaya kanaka Inzwana nai batanai barungune batema ziba nai Inzwana nai guva dzose.
Yes, massive, a powerful message from the late Culture T. Why had a wicked voice, you know. Kwatiri kupa kwatiri kuyenda, oh, kwatiri kuyenda, oh, yeah. Oh man, I tell you no, that's my artist there, Culture T. You know, we have to play second counteraction. If you remember the Zim Danzo show I used to have, he was the artist I used to introduce the show with. Satani wa baby, remember that song?
Nemashoko anafata mumoyo mangu mune makuelele Nemashoko anafata ndino detemera kuna mambo sechinyore sechenyanzi yokunyora mwari akanaka kukunda vana vanu nyasha dzakadururwa mumurumu make nyasha dzakadururwa mumurumu menyu mwari nyasha dzakadururwa mumurumu menyu aiwaiwa yeah aiwaiwa aiwaiwa yeah aiwaiwa 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 yeah aiwaiwa mumoyo mangu mune makuelele Nemashoko anafata mumoyo mangu mune makuere Nemashoko anafata ndino detemera kuna mambo
We play the hits non-stop right here on Zim Dance Hall FM.
Sechinyore sechenyanzi yokunyora mwari akanaka kukunda vana vavanu
nyasha dzakadururwa mumuromo menyu, nyasha dzakadururwa mumuromo.
Rastafari, big up to the Massive and crew. Brand new music out this.
We play the hits non-stop right here on Zim Dance Hall FM.
The original butler of Rasta music. The master blaster, caster, Rasta. And of course, we can't get no more faster. It's time, alright? Watch this. Chiranga no chedu, chitizo chedu.
Rangarira zuva riya mudiwa, uchindiudza tichagara tese. Yeuka musi uyadiyaiwe, uchinditaurira tichistana tese. Mai vangu vakati ndizvo, baba vangu ekani wanochiwa, sekuru vangu vakakumirira, mbuya vangu noda kupururudza, musha wese uchafara wauya.
Yes, Massive. These are the different stages of Zim Dancehall, taking you way back from the 80s, 90s to the new millennium. I think I have to do a part 2 here, so you know what I mean? Tomboy Chinja Magiaba next time. Uno here.
The highway, the highway. Feel real, girl. Alright. Watch me now, watch me now. The highway, the highway. The highway, the highway. Ndinewe, moyo wangu unofara ndinewe, ani ninotabirirwa ndinewe, ndinonzwa manyuku nyuku ndinewe. Chirangano chedu, ihi chitsidzo chedu. Chirangano chedu, ihi chitsidzo chedu. Mari nenguwa yakakwana yekunomutora kuti tigare tese. Angu miteni vakakumirira, tinoda kumuona wakakutora moyo. Kuna baba na mai ndatumira munyai, kunotora chengetai mwana wekwamugari. Dhumbi nerora ndakatotumira, samukuru pemberai.
Yes, Master, that was a terrible, a wicked. Because if I said terrible, you might get confused. But when we talk about terrible in dancehall terms, we talk about wicked, Changa chaka pisa combination. Dino Mdondo, William Tight, and there was also a special feature here. Rockford, Rocky. Yes, he's the one who does this part which is coming now. Rocky, what you say?
My way, Shunu Chawi, Shandakadira Tandi, sweet body coated with candy, Wakabatana, say Shereni. My way, past Nabari, she told me she loved me. She came flat out and she told me that I could die yesterday. When my pretty girl, I stress and like a sin and I. Then Chandy came along at just the perfect time. Dance as Chico night. Baba, please don't cry. Can I get back, say, Mus can I cry? Daddy, Ingawani, do Yamujani, Chabura, Please don't worry, everything carrying. Check road up, post to joke and double gazira.
You ready for some reggae? I'm still ready. Original traffic crew on your place, on your airway. Yeah, man.
Hear a voice of a woman as she sang, stand up, boy, yeah. Samana ganyura mudiva wakaibona zvinondinetsa moyo sei usiri kupindura kuda zvimwe wava nemumwe hazvina mosha ndopaigara mumoyo ndopaigara mumoyo asi chiko chandakanga ndisingakupe
We play the hits non-stop right here on Zim Dance Hall FM.
ngati chiko chandakanga ndisingakupe from love to support zvose ndaikupawo kuno kurekura isinyore kusina mai akuyendwe zvandakanga ndakaronga zvakakona ng'anga murapa achida zvandakanga ndakaplana zvakakona ng'anga murapa achida.
Yes, massive. That is the reformed Transit crew with Manix on the lead vocals. And that's taken from the album called the Unity album. That's the album they brought out the moment they regrouped. Right now, Manix is leading his own reggae group. There are other artists like Cello Culture doing the vocals for Transit. Yes, Mazibanku, I hope you enjoyed this show. It's pre-recorded, so it's not live, so you can't take any requests right now.
Roses are red and violets are blue. All I wanna do is
Yeah, I hope to be live coming next week.
red and violets are blue.
As the full station kicks off, you know.
As roses are red,
Go spread the word. Zim Dancehall FM is coming
wanna do is give
right to your hands.
as roses are red.
I go by the name of Daddy Slaggy. Hope you enjoy the rest of the week. Yeah.
Wakanyura mudiwa nakaibona usazineze moyo sendi siri kupindira usabora moyo usabora moyo uri muhana magungu ane nguva unakata zeki samaya wakanyura mudiwa
Hashtag Throwback Thursdays. Daddy Slaggy, taking you back in time with some old school Zim dance hall jams.